Released at the 2003 Geneva Auto Show, Porsche's Carrera GT was a final production version of the concept car first seen at the 2001 Paris Auto Salon. It was Porsche's first limited production supercar since 959 production stopped in 1988. At the time of launch, it was one of the few available products that rivaled the Ferrari Enzo. Unlike the 911, which carried the company for 4 decades, the Carrera GT was completely bottom-up design. Its styling was thankfully unchanged from the Paris show car and departed from the traditional Porsche shape, which the 959 couldn't escape. Motivation for the Carrera GT came directly from Porsche's successful motorsports program and the Porsche GT 95 Le Mans prototype. After winning Le Mans twice in 1996 and 1997, Porsche revived an old V10 engine for the 1999 season, but it was shelved only 2 days into track testing. The 5.5-liter V10 was used in a 2001 Paris Auto Salon concept car, which was received well enough for production to begin 2 years later. Final assembly commenced at Porsche's Leipzig plant, and the car sold with an MSRP of $440,000 USD. Under the skin, the car used many modern hallmarks of motorsport engineering: a carbon fiber chassis, dry sump lubrication, inboard suspension, and a mid-mounted engine that was engineered to sit as low as possible to ground. Careful attention was also paid to under-tray airflow, which could be managed better than the rear-engine 911. The Carrera GT is a car that pushed technological boundaries beyond any supercar of that time. Its beautiful profile encompassed a staggeringly powerful 612 pounds V10 engine that was a direct descendant of the 10-cylinder race engine developed for the Le Mans 24 Hours of 2000. The only modifications the race engine required were those to meet worldwide emissions and noise regulations for road-legal cars. In keeping with its push for innovation, the Carrera GT also pioneered the use of pure carbon fiber for its monocoque and subframe. This use of carbon fiber for components and select body sections has become a signature feature of modern Porsches, but the pursuit of lightweight construction has been part of Porsche's heritage going right back to when the company was formed. And the headline figures for the Carrera GT go far beyond that staggering 612 pounds power output. Jump in one today and want to know how quick the Carrera GT is. It can reach 100 km/h in just 3.9 seconds and roar onto 200 km/h in 9.9 seconds. That quick. The top speed of the Carrera GT is officially 330 km/h, which 18 years ago is a figure that would have been the preserve of low-flying aircraft. Even today, it's a mind-blowing number for a classic sports car, thrilling the public and the experts. But as comfortable and easy to live with as it is, the overriding mission for the Carrera GT was to uphold all of those dynamic elements that make every Porsche, whether a classic sports car or a current model, one for those who simply love the art of driving. The world's leading automotive magazines of the day were truly blown away by it. Car Magazine in the UK was moved to comment, "There's no denying just how significant a mark the Carrera GT makes on the supercar map. Expletive-inducingly quick, beautifully balanced, and phenomenally engineered, it's the kind of car that will deliver the goods all day, every day, for the rest of its lifetime without hiccup or complaint." A classic sports car with the support of a modern one. Some 1270 units of the Carrera GT were made in total over its production life. Manufacture ended in May 2006. Today, the Carrera GT Type 980 is an official member of the Porsche Classic family, which means both owners and those Porsche Classic partners and Porsche centers who maintain the cars have access to an extensive supply of genuine parts. As you might expect, many of them are still on our roads and retail at around the $1 million range for a reasonably good example. On its launch, the Carrera GT was the culmination of a proud Porsche heritage of engineering and development stretching back to the company's foundation, a car that shared its significance with benchmarks like the 959. Both a game-changer and standard-bearer when it first appeared, with the help of the likes of Porsche Classic today, it's guaranteed to keep on setting our pulse racing for years to come.